up, dudes? This is my 2017 Wr450F, and I did a Supermoto conversion on it. She's pretty. All my bikes are fun, but this bike is very fun. As you can see, we've been putting in some work on it. A little bit of some scrapes, and this thing's been super fun. I've been riding it a bunch. I've probably had it for about 2 weeks, maybe almost 3 weeks. Came with dirt tires, and then I found these white wheels on Facebook Marketplace, and it was just perfect. The blue and the white matched up so good. These wheels came off an older WR, so they fit up pretty perfect. But yeah, this thing's fun. FMF pipe, fuel injected. Such a nice dirt bike, dude. It's the nicest dirt bike I've ever owned. It's so much fun. Yeah, me and my friend are over here at these schools to mess around and do some wheelies. And there's also a sick little dirt jump over here. I'll have to show you guys. It's pretty fun. It's not huge, but you can get some good air off it. So much fun. He's getting it down. He's also on a Wr450F that he turned into a Supermoto, but he's on a 2008. So it's carbureted, not fuel injected, but it's still pretty fast. Here's this little jump though. Oh, it looks like they fixed the lip a little bit. Probably hit that in second gear. If you guys have been following me for a long time, you know that I had a Supermoto. It was a 510 Husqvarna. And that bike was really fun because it was super powerful. This bike's a little more hooligan oriented because the gears are so short in this thing. Top speed's only like 90 miles an hour. On that Husqvarna it was like 110, but it's still fun. It's nice having it geared so low because you can do real slow stuff. We'll do a little one-hander. Look at this little corner. Kind of fun. Man, nice little U-turn. Might make this into a little Supermoto track. Come around here, do a couple turns, shoot over to that dirt jump. That'd be fun. Let's try full circle. There we go. Into a stoppie. Ooh, just kidding. Retry. So much fun. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, I love the two-tone he did on those wheels. He just wrapped it himself, and it's sick. I ordered some blue so I could two-tone the white wheels. I think that would be fun. Oh, you know what I've been wanting to try and do is to pop it up here, power wheelie in first gear with one hand. Yeah, I don't know if people do that. There we go. Kind of. Try that again, eh? Bet you I could pop it up better than that. Let's do a little combo, huh? Clutch up, you know? Drop her back, go into a one hand, maybe try and get into a knee knocker. Let's just do it in second. Go right into a one hand. Get up into a knee knocker. Not super smooth, that's alright. Huh? I know I did. That's so scary. I kind of did it though. Is it?
Yeah. I'm so glad I did that.
Oh yeah, that's sick. Starting to change colors. I like my pipe. It's like gold right here. There's just a couple mods that I've already done. These were both white, and I wrapped them this like white gray camo, and I think it looks really cool. I did it because I used to have this game called MX vs ATV Supercross Encore, and I had this 450 in that game, and it was a Husqvarna, so it was like white and yellow, but it had this gray camo, and I thought it looked sick, so I put that on. And then I was out riding on dirt, and we were loading the bikes back up when we got back to the truck, and this dude came over and was like, "Hey, I have a blue headlight that fits that bike, you want to buy it?" I was like, "No way," because the headlight that comes on this bike is like really big and white and ugly. And yeah, I bought this thing, and this is LED, and it's super bright, and it's such a sick purchase because it makes the bike look really good, and I can see way better at night. So that was sick. But yeah, such a fun bike. Added this little modification to the Busch Light Apple on the reservoir. Makes it look cool. These front brakes are such good brakes. They're so touchy, and they're so easy to do stoppies because they just grab that front rotor. It took a second to like get used to them though, because they were so touchy. I would just give it like pinky finger, and it would frickin' grab. I don't know where my friend went. He went somewhere over here. Yeah, I don't know how much battery life's left in my GoPro, but I'm just gonna mess around. This bike's super fun. I took it on some trails the other day, and I brought my GoPro with me, and I totally forgot to bring the GoPro mount to go on my dirt bike helmet. So unfortunately, we didn't get any clips from that. But that's okay. I'm so surprised how much traction I get on these Supermoto wheels on dirt, because these are like Supermoto race wheels, so they're slicks, but they have little grooves in the middle, so they have a little more traction on dirt, and actually not bad off-road. They're nice. They're not street legal, but that's okay. They're nice and grippy. I need to get more speed than that. I'm trying to do a little turn without putting my foot down. I can do like little swerves. So much fun. This video's probably gonna be a little shorter, running out of GoPro battery and running out of daylight. So we're gonna end it here, dudes. Thanks for watching. This bike's super fun. Definitely gonna have way more videos on it, because it's such a hooligan-y bike. Really? That's funny. He said I caught like 6 inches of air off that little bump. Alright, dudes, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, subscribe, check out my other stuff. Later. So much fun.